Yeah, hi, it's Grant here. There's a bigger project that I'm working on, just a personal project, to get uh, a three-quarter tempo overlay or any time signature overlay on another time signature. So typically we dance to 4/4 time or 2/4 time or 6/8 time, but it's even numbered. And I have a step that I do that's a odd, so it's three-quarter time, but when it overlays on a three-quarter or on a 4/4, eventually it gets back in sync. You're always stepping on the downbeat or whatever it's called. But anyway, yeah, it's a three-quarter thing, and so I'm trying to figure out how to do the percussive overlay and possibly extend it, to the key of the song as well. So, um, two methods that I'm using to do that. One is going from VirtualDJ to Ableton using the link, and I'll do a video of that one. But the piece that I got working today is through OSC. I needed a way to get metadata from, excuse me, from VirtualDJ over to Ableton. And I believe Ableton has an OSC connector that I can receive on. So I've just simulated that with this visualizer. It's a P5J JavaScript visualizer. Just kind of threw it together with VS Code and Copilot. Matrix-like notes, music dropping down, and so forth. So when you play the song, this metadata comes in, and it's spewing out quite frequently. There's some timing issues that I'd like to see if I could fix to get it a little bit more immediate. But that's basically the connector. Now, if I look at the virtual DJ, where that ends up manifesting itself, if you flip from starter to essentials, you'll get this master thing, and then you can you can click on this effect. So I've built this send to OSC effect or plugin. I'm not sure what it's called. And there's some buttons there, and I'll probably adjust some of those buttons to make them affect the OSC for debugging or for running and that kind of stuff. So when this runs, that OSC data pumps off the song. When the song changes, then the visualizer will change. So if we were to run that, and I'll just skip it ahead, and it's going to change at this end point here. Should change. So you can see the beats and so forth and the bar and everything are going. It's a bad mix. Just to pick that song, just whatever. And then now playing up here, you see it changes, and then it picks up all the new data. Everything refreshes here. BPM, it goes to the Havana song. Now, when I was in there, let's stop the music. Sorry about that. You could see that it did change, and it's instant. I started to try to do some visualizations. I was just curious to see what I could do. So now there's this visualizer in there, and it's a blended media visualizer. It takes data from Wikipedia. It takes static images from music, the artist, and the song in context. So if there's a connection on the web, it pulls in the image and then visualizes it here. The video that's coming here, I managed to be able to feed that intermittently live from VirtualDJ. So it toggles back and forth between these static images and the actual video. Was there something else? No, I think that's it. Maybe that's it. It's a mixed media kind of visualization. So it's wiki here. It's images from the internet that are in context of Camila, right? It could be extended. I've stretched the latitude a little bit, so it makes the visualizations kind of curious and interesting. Anyway, that's all I got for today.